Welcome to the English Beginner Zone. Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to visit a pizza shop. You will hear a simple story between two friends, Tony and Diana, and a pizza shop worker. I will speak slowly, so don't worry. Story. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen carefully. Here is today's question. What is the secret inside the pizza crust called? The answer is in the story. Try to listen and find it. You can write your answer in the comments in English. This will help you improve your English faster. Right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Anna, are you hungry?
Yes, Tony. I am very hungry.
Let's go to Sam's Pizza.
Sam's Pizza? Is it good?
It is the best in town.
I love good pizza.
And there is a secret at this shop.
A secret? What secret?
I cannot tell you yet.
Oh, come on, tell me.
You must see it for yourself.
Is it a secret ingredient?
Maybe. Or maybe it is a secret style.
You are making me very curious.
That is the plan.
Is the secret inside the box?
It is inside the pizza.
Inside the pizza? Like toppings?
No, not just the toppings.
Is it the sauce?
The sauce is great, but that is not the secret.
I hope the secret tastes good.
It tastes amazing, Diana.
Look, is that the shop?
Yes, that is Sam's Pizza Shop.
Wow, it smells like cheese and bread.
It smells like the best day ever.
It looks so busy inside.
People love this place.
I can see why. It is so warm.
Wait until you see the menu.
That pizza looks huge.
That is the large size.
Can we eat here?
Let's take it home. It is more fun.
Okay, who is that at the counter?
That is my coworker. She is very nice.
Should I order?
Yes, go ahead. I'm right here.
Okay, I am ready.
Don't forget to ask about the sizes.
I will. I also want to find that secret.
You will see it soon.
The pictures are so bright.
Every pizza here is fresh.
Look at that cheese. It is so long.
That is good cheese.
I am excited.
You will love the secret.
Is it a secret box?
No, no secret box.
Is it the way they cook it?
Keep guessing, Diana.
Okay, let's find out.
Hi there, welcome to Sam's Pizza.
Hi, thank you.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. My friend Tony told me about it.
Oh, hi, Tony. Good to see you.
Hi, I am showing Diana the best pizza.
Well, you came to the right place.
It smells really good in here.
Thank you. So, what can I get for you today?
I'd like to order a pizza, please.
Sure thing. What kind of pizza would you like?
What kinds do you have?
We have cheese, pepperoni, veggie, and Hawaiian pizza.
What is Hawaiian pizza?
Hawaiian pizza has ham and pineapple on it.
Pineapple on pizza? That's interesting.
It is sweet and salty at the same time.
Do you like it, Tony?
Some people love it and some don't.
Maybe next time. Today, I want something simple.
The cheese pizza is very simple.
Can I pick my own toppings?
Yes, you can build your own pizza.
Oh, really? That sounds fun.
Let's start with a size. What size would you like?
What sizes do you have?
We have small, medium, and large.
How big is the small one?
A small is 8 inches. It is good for one person.
And how much is it?
The small pizza is $10.
That is a good price.
Diana, maybe get a medium?
Why a medium?
You can save some for tomorrow.
How many slices are in a small?
A small has 6 slices.
6 slices is enough for me.
Okay, 1 small pizza.
Do I pay now?
You can pay when it is ready.
Is there a place to wash my hands?
Yes, the restroom is in the back.
Thank you. I will go there later.
Tony, are you helping her with the toppings?
Yes, I am. And I want to show her the secret crust.
The secret crust? Is that it?
Yes, it is very special.
How much extra is it?
It is just $1 extra.
Only $1? I want to try it.
Good choice, Diana.
1 small pizza with the secret crust.
Now I am even more hungry.
Okay, Diana, let's talk about the crust.
What do you mean?
The crust is the bread part at the bottom.
I see. And what is the secret?
We call it stuffed crust. It has cheese inside the bread.
Cheese inside the bread? Wow!
I told you it was a secret.
What toppings do you have?
We have pepperoni, mushrooms, onions, and green peppers.
I like mushrooms. And extra cheese, please.
Extra cheese is 50 cents more. Is that okay?
Yes, that is fine. I love cheese.
Diana, look at these napkins.
Why are they so small?
They are for messy fingers. Pizza is messy.
How long will it take?
It will be ready in about 15 minutes.
15 minutes? That is quick.
While you wait, would you like a drink?
How much is a bottle of water?
A bottle of water is $2.
I'll just have water, please.
Diana, do you know what these are?
Are they salt?
No, it is Parmesan cheese. It is salty and dry.
It smells interesting.
Here is your water.
Thank you.
Let's sit by the window while we wait.
That is a nice spot.
Look at all the people outside.
I see 10 students walking by.
And there are 15 cars on the street.
It is a busy city.
Even the birds are busy.
Tony, why did you start working here?
I love the smell of pizza.
That is a good reason.
And I get to eat the pizza.
You are lucky.
5 minutes have passed.
10 more minutes to go. 10 more minutes.
Look, she is putting the cheese in the crust now.
She is rolling the bread over the cheese.
That makes the edge very soft and cheesy.
It is like a little secret inside the bread.
Exactly. That is why it is the best.
I can't wait to bite into it.
She is putting it in the oven now.
The fire is so bright and orange.
It cooks the pizza very fast.
13 minutes. 14 minutes.
It is almost time.
Anna, your small pizza is ready.
Here I am.
It is very hot. Be careful.
Thank you so much.
That will be $10.50, right?
Yes, $10 for the pizza and 50 cents for extra cheese.
Here is $20.
And here is $9.50 change.
Can we open it now?
Yes, let's look at the secret.
Wow, it looks so good.
Look at the crust. It is thick.
Oh, cheese is coming out of the bread.
That is the secret. Stuffed crust.
It is so warm and soft.
It is much better than normal crust.
Normal crust is just bread. This is like a surprise.
Yes, normal is good, but this is special.
Thank you for the secret pizza.
You are very welcome. Enjoy!
I am glad you like it, Diana.
You are right. This is the best.
See? Life is like pizza.
What do you mean?
It is better when there is a little surprise inside.
That is a very nice thought, Tony.
I am full of good thoughts.
And I am full of good pizza.
Are you going to finish it?
Yes, it is too good to save.
I knew you would like it.
Thank you for bringing me here.
That is what friends are for.
Look at that cute dog outside.
He looks hungry too.
Everyone wants pizza today.
Ready to go home?
Yes, I am very happy now.
Let's throw this away.
There it is.
All clean.
Next time, I want to try the Hawaiian pizza.
With the pineapple?
Yes, because surprises are good, right?
Right you are.
The air feels nice now.
It is almost sunset.
The sky is like a painting.
A painting with no secret cheese inside.
You are obsessed with cheese.
I am a pizza boy. It is my job.
We are home.
Have a good night, Diana.
You too, Tony. See you tomorrow.
Did you enjoy the story? Let me ask you the question again. What is the secret inside the pizza crust called? Did you find the answer? If yes, write it in the comments below. Keep practicing like this and your English will improve step by step. On this channel, I share simple English stories with slow speaking and helpful tips. I will upload more videos like this. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. You can also join the membership if you want more content. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye!